Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to numb toothache overnight. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Do you have a tooth that is bothering you? You're undoubtedly looking for relief, whether your tooth pain is dull, acute, or throbbing. We recommend making an appointment with our dental experts as soon as you notice any discomfort. Dr. Sexton will examine your teeth to identify what is causing the irritation. In the meanwhile, it's useful to know a few quick remedies that can help you feel better right away. Today, we're going to provide 8 tried and true tooth pain cures that might provide quick relief when you need it the most. Understanding the various types of toothaches. Before we get into how to stop tooth pain fast at home, let's go through the 4 primary types of toothaches and the most typical causes of them. Ache that is dull and consistent. This form of tooth pain isn't intense or severe, but it's irritating. Among the most common causes are teeth clenching, bruxism. Often, merely cleaning or flossing your teeth will solve the problem. If your dentist determines that the pain is caused by an abscessed tooth or bruxism, they can offer professional treatments to reverse either problem. Sharp ache. Sharp pain typically necessitates rapid dental attention. This type of discomfort is frequently caused by a loose crown or filling, which can expose sensitive and damaged areas of your teeth. Other common causes are sensitivity to hot or cold temperatures. Did you feel pain when you drank a cold drink or sipped a hot soup? If this is the case, your enamel could be worn. Avoiding high temperatures and using toothpaste for sensitive teeth can sometimes make all the difference. Severe discomfort that lasts more than 30 seconds, on the other hand, may indicate a more serious problem. The following conditions may cause acute temperature sensitivity. If the problem is urgent, you should be able to get treatment that day. Otherwise, you can reschedule your appointment and try the at-home therapies recommended by your dentist. Certain issues, including as bleeding or discolored gums, will almost certainly necessitate emergency treatment. Try these home remedies for tooth pain. Are you in need of immediate toothache relief? The following methods can help relieve pain while you wait for a dentist appointment. Compressing cold. A cold compress can help lessen the inflammation that is common with toothaches. A specifically prepared cold pack can be used to make one, but a bag of frozen vegetables can suffice in a pinch. For 20 minutes at a time, apply the compress to the troubled side of your face. To avoid skin irritation, wrap it in a soft cloth or towel. Compress warmth. You can produce a warm compress instead if you prefer the healing effect of heat. If you don't already have one, you can make one at home. Heat, in particular, can assist relieve pain. Simply stuff a clean sock with uncooked rice and knot it tightly. After that, microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. The heat from the compress will stop the pain signals coming from your mouth to your brain when you apply it to the affected side of your face. Anti-inflammatory drugs. How do you get rid of a toothache quickly? While a compress can help reduce inflammation, you can also use over-the-counter pain relievers that have the same effect. What is the most effective pain reliever for a toothache? Stick to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, Advil, or naproxen for the best outcomes, Aleve. However, keep in mind that even the strongest toothache medicine is not a replacement for professional dental care. Therefore, this should only be a temporary remedy. Rinse with salt water. Before you Google, "How can I relieve tooth pain?" go to the kitchen. You might discover that you already have everything you need to make a successful at-home treatment. A warm saltwater solution will not only relieve your pain but will also aid in the cleaning of the inflamed region around your tooth. Simply mix 1 cup of warm water with half a teaspoon of salt. Rinse and spit. Repeat this several times per day. Rinse with hydrogen peroxide. Do you dislike the thought of rinsing with salt water? Hydrogen peroxide can also be used. Combine equal amounts hydrogen peroxide and water to make this solution. Spit it out after carefully rinsing it. Hydrogen peroxide, like seawater, can relieve inflammation and gently cleanse the afflicted tooth. Just don't swallow any of the solution. Tea bag with peppermint. Peppermint is a natural and tasty way to relieve tooth nerve pain. To begin making this therapy, make a cup of peppermint tea. Allow a few minutes for the tea bag to brew before removing it. Apply the tea bag to the affected area in your mouth while it is still warm, but not heated. Some individuals prefer to chill their tea bags in the freezer for a few minutes before using them. This can be a particularly calming and relaxing method of relieving toothache at night. Clove essential oil. Clove oil has long been used to alleviate mouth pain. Its main constituent is eugenol, a natural antibacterial that aids in wound sterilization. You may find this oil at your local grocery shop or pharmacy. If you have dental ache, put a little oil on a clean cotton swab or cotton ball. Then, apply it to your tooth's affected area. If the clove oil appears to be overly strong, dilute it with a small bit of water. It can also be used with a carrier oil like olive or almond oil. Garlic. Garlic, like clove oil, is a natural substance well known for its therapeutic benefits. How can you get rid of tooth nerve pain? If you have a few garlic cloves on hand, grind them into a paste and apply it to the affected region. The garlic will help destroy the bacteria around your tooth and numb it. If you wish, you can season the paste with salt. Get fast relief from tooth pain. When your tooth hurts, you'll do anything to make yourself feel better. Fortunately, the most frequent tooth pain cures use basic at-home materials that you probably already have on hand. While these 8 suggestions may provide temporary relief, it is always preferable to notify us if you are having any form of oral discomfort. Schedule an appointment online today to choose a time that works for you. You certainly don't expect a dental emergency to derail your plans when you begin your day. While you may not expect it, 1 in every 6 Americans has a dental emergency each year. Although there is never a good time for an unexpected oral health problem, waking up with a toothache during COVID-19 might add to the stress and anxiety of the situation. Your emergency dentist's office hours will be limited, but you will still be able to receive the care you require. While you wait for your appointment, here are 7 toothache cures that you may use in your kitchen to relieve discomfort.